Hey everyone, welcome back to Node Expert. In today's video, we are diving into the Teneo Node Extension, an easy and innovative way to participate in decentralized infrastructure right from your browser. I will guide you step by step on how to set it up, why it's worth your time, and how you can start contributing to the network. Make sure to stick around till the end for some pro tips to maximize your experience. Let's jump right in.
The Teneo protocol is a groundbreaking blockchain platform that transforms how real-world data is accessible and monetized. It acts as the foundational data layer for DePIN and AI, revolutionizing data utilization. It enables access to difficult-to-reach data sources such as social media analytics.
Okay, after understanding what is Teneo Node Extension, let's get into the installation process, which is very straightforward. Click on the link which I will leave in the description. Click on download the node extension. After that, click on install extension from Chrome Web Store. It will redirect you into another page. Click on install, add extension, and wait for it to be added. Okay, after completing the installation process, you will get this simple sign up page. You will type your email address, your password, confirm your password, and you may use my referral code. If you use my referral code, you will get instantly 2500 Teneo points, and I will get also a small portion. So I will be very thankful if you use my referral code. After filling these blanks and using my referral code, if you wanted to, click on create account. After creating the account, you will get a verification email on your email address. Go to your email and verify it. After verifying it, you may click on the Teneo and sign up. After connecting your Teneo, it will say here connected and the dashboard will open. So my account is new, so I don't have still any heartbeats. One heartbeat equals around 15 minutes, and I need to make an uptime of 69 heartbeats, which is around 100 or 200 hours. So here's the reward section. If you connected your wallet, you will get 50,000 points. If you engaged with Teneo on X, you'll get also 50. Connect to Discord, you will also get a 50,000 points. Well, at the moment, still the dashboard is under maintenance. Nothing is working here. And here's the connectivity streaks. If you complete one day, you will get 2,500 points, and up to 30 days, you will get 50,000 points. The rewards are very nice. You can make a lot of points if you worked on it hard. Here's also the referral levels. You can get up to 25,000 points if you made around 50 referrals. Here's coming soon. I guess it's the earnings tab. And that's it for Teneo Node Extension. It's very similar to Grass and very similar to also Node Pay. And that's it for today's video. The Teneo Node Extension is an incredible tool for anyone curious about decentralized infrastructure but wants something easy and beginner friendly. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for everything you need to get started. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments if you have tried Teneo or if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.